Let's learn to alphabet. A, B, C, D. Brown color. A is for airplane. Orange color. B is for butter. Light green color. C is for cherry. Yellow color. D is for duck. Red color. E is for egg. Sky blue color. F is for frog. Pink color. G is for grapes. Orange color. H is for hen. Purple color. I is for ice cream. Sky blue color. J is for jug. Light green color. K is for king. Red color. L is for lemon. Pink color. M is for mango. Orange color. N is for nest. Red color. O is for orange. Brown color. P is for parrot. Sky blue color. Q is for question. Purple color. R is for rose. Brown color. S is for sun. Green color. T is for tiger. Red color. U is for umbrella. Orange color. V is for van. Green color. W is for watch. Pink color. X is for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Y is for yak. Purple color. Z is for zebra. Pink color. Number 1, purple color. Number 2, red color. Number 3, green color. Number 4, orange color. Number 5, brown color. Red color. Number 7, sky blue color. Number 8, orange color. Number 9, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. थैंक यू किड्स। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।